Welcome to our quick math lesson. Today, we're going to learn about the distributive property, a handy tool in algebra. Let's get started. The distributive property states that A times B plus C equals AB plus AC. This means that we multiply A by both B and C. For example, 3 times 2 plus 4 becomes 3 times 2 plus 3 times 4, which equals 6 plus 12, which is equal to 18. Using the distributive property makes it easier to simplify and solve equations. Let's try another example with variables. 2 times x plus 5. By distributing, we get 2x plus 10. Simple, right? And that's a distributive property. That was so quick and so easy, right? Keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more math lessons.